going to enjoy this. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I am your host O'Neill and this is the Jamaican Canadian Family Channel. Today guys, I have some chicken back. Yes, some lovely hand-cut chicken back. I am going to clean it, but before I have to show you how it is looking before. Back in my country, we used to love to go to the river and the seaside and cook chicken back. So today guys, I'm going to brown stew some chicken back for you and I'll take you along. Meanwhile, I am cooking in the kitchen. And I finish wash it properly with vinegar, or you can wash it with lime or lemon. That just to take the rawness from the meat. So look at this guys. Look how it is pretty and nice. So I'm going to season this up, and all I'm going to use for now is salt and this is all-purpose natural seasoning. The reason why I'm going light on the salt guys is because the all-purpose natural seasoning, it have salt as well. And this is my natural seasoning. This is my pepper, my hot pepper, my thyme, my garlic, my onion, scallion. And this is all I'm going to add to this for now. Okay. We're gonna stir this well, and I'm going to leave it for about 2.5 hours so that the seasoning can really take the meat properly. Marinate it just right. Okay, so I finished season my chicken back, so I'm going to cover it and let it just sit here for 2.5 hours and then we can cook. Okay guys, my chicken back is fully marinated and we're going to cook. I turn on my stove, and this kind of pot guys, so I'm going old school. I'm cooking chicken back. I'm going to make my own browning guys. The first step of making your own browning, make sure your pot is very hot. Okay guys, my pot is hot. I'm using a little bit of oil and a little bit of brown sugar. Sorry that. And I'm going to cover it guys and let it sweat its own oil and simmer down, catch color. Coming along guys, coming along. So this is all the water that the meat sweat. So you really don't have to add any water to this, because chicken back have a lot of oil and water as well. Stir properly. Let everything catch color. Turn down your stove. These are just more seasoning to simmer down the pot. So over here, guys, I'm preparing some ground provision and dumpling. This is my salt. First thing, this is my sweet potato. This is the Jamaican sweet potato. Put it in the pot. This is my white yam, Jamaican white yam. Add it in the pot. Yardie style today, guys. Country style today, guys. Last but not least, guys, my dumpling. Next, guys, it's my dumpling. This is my Jamaican chocho. In the pot. Star. And the last thing, guys, my banana. Good. Yes, guys, everything is done. Look at that. Turn this off. It's time to share and eat. Okay, guys, dinner is served. This is my grape juice right here. Refreshing, guys. This is my chicken back, my dumpling, my banana, my soft white yam. This is my chocho, and this is my Jamaican sweet potato. It's been a long time I haven't eaten chicken back, guys, so I'm excited about this meal. Let's taste. It's good, guys. The seasoning. The thing is, guys, when you're cooking and you season your meat properly, it tastes so good and delicious. But that's all I have for you today, guys. God loves you all. Peace. And I am out. See you in the next video.